Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 30th of April 2021. Now, let's start with the S&P 500, which was supposed to be gapping up today. And if you see, it opened with a big gap, and finally that gap got sold into, very much like the Indian market, and from lower levels it's found some sort of buying. But on a daily sort of basis, I don't think there is much to worry about here. And before we go forward, let me request you to like, share, subscribe. Also, uh, please use our membership services of platinum, diamond, gold, silver, copper, etc. To get into trades which offer large potential. And if you have questions, WhatsApp 98710 or email ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. Now let's go to the Nifty and see what sort of possibilities exist for tomorrow's trade. Now, first of all, there are two views in the market. One view is that 15,000 is it, and we should go back to 14,000 from here. That is a view, but it's a view that I don't personally agree with. My sense is that given the briskness of this rally, we could come off a bit and then again rebuild strength, and this time take out 15,000 decisively. That view may or may not play out, but that is my view. Now, what we should look to do tomorrow as we speak, the Nifty futures on SGX are trading at about 14,827, and that would translate to a cash level of about 14,800. If we go back and open the hourly chart, you would see that there is a very large area of congestion at the 14,800 mark, and that was also interestingly the low of today. So somewhere near 14,800, I think the market should be bought into. There is this exit poll, etc., going on. My view on that is that BJP has 350 in Lok Sabha, it has majority in Rajya Sabha. I don't think state elections changes any of that arithmetic. So it's a half an hour event. I don't think the market will pay too much heed to all of this. And closer to 14,800 is a place where you want to buy into the market, keep a stop 14,700, and look for this time for 15,000 to get crossed. But again, price action is supreme. So look for a proper price action before you do that. On Bank Nifty, again, if you see the last time around, we went to this 3,400, 34,000 type of zone. We corrected back towards this area here. I would think again it's about today's low. So somewhere even on Bank Nifty, if you come to today's low, which I would think is about 33, 300 thereabouts, it would give you a nice risk reward on the upside. Obviously, look for a strong rejection of those levels to get in. And I would think that this rally has not just happened out of nowhere. The market definitely is sending some sort of message. FIIs have started to buy again. So this would be the view on Bank Nifty. If you buy at 33,300, keep a 33,100 type of stop. And this time, if you cross 34,000 again, you will go back to towards 35,000. There is no resistance between 34 and 35. So that way, what you want to see is how does the market react at 14,800. We saw how violently the market came off from 15,000. Now we want to see what happens at 14,800. If price action is mild at 14,800 and is not getting rejected on the upside, then possibly you are going to go lower. So that would be a matter of real time observation in the market. But for the moment, it appears that 14,800 will hold. In terms of the pivot, for tomorrow, the Nifty pivot is 14,917 and R1 is 15,020 thereabouts. S1 is 14,792. So you have to try to buy into an S1 because we are still dealing with an uptrend. And on the upside, whenever the market restarts a rally, I think 15,150 could be a decent target. Similarly, on Bank Nifty, pivot for tomorrow is 33,770. Now, what are these pivots? They are just support and resistance. Levels uh, on the upside are resistance. Levels on the downside are support. Bank Nifty S1 is about 33, 250, 300. And on the upside, the R1 is 33, 226. So the advice is wait for 14,800, 33, 300, and then try to see what kind of action you are getting. So that should be it for right now. I think the market will pull back into this 14,750, 800 zone, rebuild strength, and then take out 15,000 decisively this time. There may or may not be a trade tomorrow, but definitely price action, we need to watch out whether at lower levels buying is still coming back. So that should be it. Take care, trade well. Please consult your financial advisor.